Good afternoon, everybody. It's Jeff from Bucket Valley Garage. Just wanted to show you something real quick. Whenever you do a collision job and you have to take and repaint something that has decals or stickers on it, you want to take and put those back on. And these ones right here are like very expensive. They're like 30 bucks a line because they're OEM, Mopar, blah, 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 all that kind of stuff. So nobody else really has them. So we went ahead and ordered them, and I want to show you how to take and put these things on and make it real easy for you. First thing you want to do, of course, is to take and clean the area, and then you want to take and lay out with tape where the decal is going to go. So go ahead and clean this up. I like to use Windex because it's a multi-purpose stuff. It has alcohol in it, and it gets nice and clean, gets all the dirt off, all that kind of stuff. Okay. Clean all the stuff out of the area. Make sure your tape lines are real good. Everything's clean. Okay. Next thing you want to do is when you take and get the stickers, there will be a front and a back on here. You want to take and peel the backing off. Okay, and on the Wrangler stickers, I generally cut them to size. Okay, so I know exactly where I'm going. It makes it easier to take and move them around. Okay, on the Wrangler logo, the R is just a little bit bigger. So you want to take and pick up your layout points from the W and the R. Okay, so that they'll just lay right in there and it'll be straight when you're finished with it. Okay, so you want to peel that backing off, but you want to be careful because these are vinyl letters, and how you take and peel them off is very critical. You just want to be very gentle, kind of pull them off at an angle. Try not to touch the adhesive on the back. Okay, they will come off fairly easy. Okay, and we're ready to go. Okay, next thing you want to do is you want to take the Windex and you want to mist down the area where you are going to put the decal. I know that sounds completely stupid, but you will see why in a minute. Okay, once these things go down, they are down. They do not slide around or anything. So you can line everything up on the tape. Just like that. Pat it down. Okay, now this is not exactly aligned, so I can just scooch this down just a little bit. If you did not have the Windex underneath there, you would not be able to do that. Okay? So they give you, when they give you the decals, they give you a squeegee. And let me go get that. Okay? This is what the squeegee looks like. Okay, you want to be very gentle on this. Because basically what you're doing is you're pulling out all the liquid that is underneath that. And you're actually setting that down. So this is where it's going to live. the rest of its life. Press it down here, make sure you get everything out. See this kind of wave going to the right. Okay. Massage these things just a little bit. Make sure you got everything out from behind them. Okay, just go one direction. Okay, and then you can take and just go on the corner. Gently start pulling the tape. Okay, so we've cleaned everything up, we patted all the letters down, we dried everything off, and this is what it looks like when it's finished. So we have one more line to put in there, and it says unlimited, and then we'll be finished with the decal work. So what actually works better than Windex is just regular soap and water, and you take and mix up Dawn detergent, really like that one, and take and spread that over the surface first, get it nice and clean, dry it off, and then put another coating on there, and then go ahead and put your stickers on and use the tape line layout method, and it'll take and get your decals down there, it'll get them straight, and it takes a lot of misery out of your life, I'll tell you. Anyway, hopefully I have given you a little bit of information here that you didn't have. If you did, reinforces that. Thank you for stopping by. Love y'all, and please subscribe and hit the notification button, then you'll know when we do something new. See you next time.